to Rainbow Learning. Today I'm making cookies for the holiday season. Let's cut up a slice of cookie dough. Open the microwave. I'll make some white frosting out of Play-Doh. I'm cutting out a circle to fit on the top of the cookie. I've made a Play-Doh Christmas tree. Let's put it on top of the cookie. I hope it fits in the microwave. Phew, it does. Let's use gumballs to decorate the tree. Blue, orange, and yellow. Now we're ready to bake our first cookie. Wow, one Christmas tree cookie with white frosting. Let's make a gingerbread man cookie. First I need to roll out some dough. I'll use a special cutter to make the shape of the gingerbread man. Looks good. Now we can decorate it. He needs 2 eyes, a big smile, some rosy cheeks, a green bow tie, 3 white buttons, and some extra decorations. He looks great! Now we can put him on top of the cookie. Into the microwave. Wow! One gingerbread man cookie! This time, let's make a candy cane decorated cookie. I'll use lots of candy canes. Will they all fit in the microwave? Yay, they do! One candy cane cookie. Let's make a snowman cookie. Wow, one snowman cookie. Thanks for helping me bake the cookies. Happy holidays, everyone! Hi everyone! Welcome to Rainbow Learning Kitchen! Today we're going to be making pizza. First we need to make the pizza dough. Add white Play-Doh, brown Play-Doh, some water, and flour. Yay! We've made the pizza dough. Let's press it out to make the shape of the pizza base. Okay, let's put it in the oven. Now we're ready to put on the toppings. Tomato, eggplant, onion, pineapple, salami, cheese, bell pepper, mushrooms, now we're ready to cook the pizza. We've cooked the pizza, now we need to put it all together. There's the base. Add pineapple, onion, mushrooms, tomato, basil leaves. Let's add some extra cheese. Now we can serve up the pizza. Let's cut a slice. Yummy pizza! Thanks for helping me in the kitchen. See you next time. Welcome to Rainbow Learning Kitchen. Today I'll be making a hot dog and fries. First I need to make the hot dog bun. Add 1 egg, some flour, milk, some white Play-Doh, and brown Play-Doh. Let's mix the ingredients together. Great! Now we can make the bun for the hot dog. I'm now placing the hot dog mixture in the bun. Now I'm ready to cook the hot dog. Wow, 1 hot dog! put some mustard on the top. Nice work! Looks great! Now let's make some fries. I'm using yellow Play-Doh for the fries. Wow, I've made a lot of fries. Add red Play-Doh. Now we're ready to cook. Let's make a strawberry smoothie to go with our hot dog and fries. 1 strawberry, 2 strawberries, 1 strawberry smoothie. Watching Rainbow Learning. If you'd like to see more of our videos, please subscribe.